Hello! So for today's video, we are going to Balikasag Island to experience dolphin watching and snorkeling. Ayan. So, na-divide kami sa tatlong bangka. So, sa isang bangka, dito sa bangka namin is 11 kami. So, yan kami lahat. Ayan, o, di ba? Parang mga anak ni Henry C. Pero mga wala ng pera na anak ni Henry C. Pero before anything else, kailangan nating maging safe. So, we need to listen to our attendant for our safety.
Attention passengers, we are now going to witness the demonstration for our safety. Please look ahead at the attendant on your front. First, at downfall, you need to pull the trigger and then put it in your mouth. Blow! May blow pala! Blow!
In case of emergency, see in my left, on my right, just go down.
So, ganon safety features ng ating Balikasag dive. So, ayan, at this point, parang nawawala na kami ng pag-asa dyan kasi parang wala ng dolphin because according kay Kuya, it's late na daw because that's 7 something, I guess. Pero fortunately, meron pa kaming naabutan. Ayan! O, diba? May nagpakita. And that's more. There's more. Diba? So nice. It was a very fun experience with the dolphins. Look ahead. Yan, diba? And according kay Kuya, dolphins, ang nagpapikita lang daw ang mga dolphins sa mga good people. And yes, we are so happy because we are good people. OMG. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful experience. So here we go. We are heading to the Pawikan at this very moment nag-instruct si Kuya dito, nag-orient sa amin kung ano ang dapat namin gawin. And yan, we are heading na. Tapos na mag-orient si Kuya dyan. Pero nagsasalita pa rin si Kuya. Kuya, thank you so much ha. You are so kind. Hindi ko lang nakuha yung name ni Kuya pero napaka-nice ni Kuya na guide, diver. Oh, nagmuha na pa dyan. Yes, in the night where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, alright. And see the crystal clear waters of Balikasag, baby. Wow, OMG, mapapa OMG ka na lang talaga sa ganda at linaw ng tubig ng Balikasag. Kahit napakainit dyan, pero go lang, bash. Ito, malapit ako mawala ng pag-asa because every time na ilulublog ko ang cellphone ko, nagre-restart ang video. But wait! Yes! Meron akong video with the Pawikan. But I find it so fun. Napaka-funny ng moment na to because bilang me na swimmer, it's like I cannot, hindi ko nakikita ang sarili ko dyan na bilang isang swimmer. May buoyancy is not buoyancy and then pak! Kapit pa masipaan. Yun, ponggol. Grabe talaga. So fun. An adventure. Ooh, there you go, the Pawikan, the friendly Pawikan of Balikasag Island. You must try it, guys.
Kung sino kayong complete gear, naka-aqua shoes, maybe this time! Corals? Mabaw lang man dito.
This time, nanami diri sa pagdaulo niya. Nanami diri sa fish sanctuary. Naga-video naman si Sir Marlon. Akala niya naga-picture lang ako, pero naga-video ako diri. That's great. Mga oras na ito, inakain na ni Kuya si Ma'am Jinky para ma-experience niya ang fish sanctuary. Ayan. Halos din na nagudboyan si Kuya Ana. So yes, we are heading back to our cottage and overall it was a fun and adventure experience. 10/10 ang Balikasag Island. Basta i-try nyo lang ang snorkeling. I am under the sun. Ooh. So yes.
So, syempre, nakantag mga wrong grammar, pero okay lang yan. Kapoy na mag-edit. So, see you on our next trip, guys.